Welcome everybody to Sunita's English Adventure. I hope you all are doing amazing. And let me take a moment to say this that this session is really special for me because I have some of my WhatsApp community members on my channel today. So it feels nothing less than a family. Like it doesn't feel like I'm hosting a session, but it feels like it is a small family get together. And I hope the feelings are mutual. So tell me, how are you all feeling?
Ma'am, I am very much excited because I am full of beans because I am going to talk with you, and that's why I am very much happy and excited also.
That's great. It's so good to know that you all are so excited for today's session. So without further ado, let's begin today's session. It's going to be a rapid fire challenge in which we are going to revise conditional sentences. So take it easy, like do not need to feel that pressure. Just take it easy. Okay? Let me tell you how it will work. So I'll call your name, and if somebody gets stuck, someone else can steal their chance. Okay? That we will do it. So I'll call your names. You don't have to speak in between. I'll just call your names and then you have to speak. All right? So let's start easy. First one is for Arpit. अगर
Yes,
तुम
ma'am.
मेहनत करोगे तो तुम पास हो जाओगे.
If you will make efforts, then you will definitely will get success.
Okay, almost correct. Try again. अगर तुम
Ma'am,
मेहनत करोगे
pattern
तो
please
तुम
again.
पास हो जाओगे. अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो तुम पास हो जाओगे.
Okay. If you will do make effort, then definitely you will get pass.
Okay, so it's not correct. Let me ask someone else. Anyone who has the right answer? अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो पास हो जाओगे.
I want to say if you work hard, you will definitely pass the exam.
If you work hard, you will pass. That's the correct answer. Next, Junu. अगर बारिश होगी तो हम बाहर नहीं जाएंगे.
So if it will rain, then will not go out.
Gauri?
If it rains, we will not go out.
That's the correct answer. If it rains, will not go out. All right. And try to be quick because it's a rapid fire challenge. So you have to answer really quick. Okay? So don't overthink, don't take more time, just answer. अगर तुम मुझे कॉल करोगे तो मैं आंसर करूंगा.
If you call me, I would answer.
Are you sure?
I will answer.
I will answer. Brilliant, brilliant. Okay, Mausami. Next one is for you. अगर मैं अमीर होता तो मैं दुनिया घूमता.
If I were rich, I would go outside, or I would, what I say, ma'am?
I would travel the
Is
world.
it I would travel the world. Yes, ma'am.
Right. Your sentence structure
Our
was
conditions
absolutely correct.
structure is okay.
That was correct, right? So let me just repeat that. If I were rich, I would travel the world. Okay, that was the answer. अगर तुम टीचर ना होते तो तुम क्या होते?
If you weren't teacher, then what would you be?
Perfect, perfect. Yes, Sumitra. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं क्या करता?
If I am at your place, then would do.
Junu?
If I were you, what would I do?
Almost correct, but if we had to speak in the same manner, so we can say, if I were in your place, what would I do? Right? If I were in your place, what would I do? Okay? All right. So now let's go
Okay.
to the past. Regret mode on. So yes, Nidhi, अगर मैंने पढ़ाई की होती तो मैं पास हो जाता.
If I had studied, I would have passed.
Super. मौसमी, अगर उसने मुझे बताया होता तो मैं उसकी हेल्प करता.
If he had told me, I would have helped him.
Perfect, perfect. Okay. गौरी, अगर तुमने जल्दी किया होता तो तुम जीत जाते.
If you had did quickly, you would have succeed.
Anyone else?
Ma'am, if you had been quick, you would have succeed.
Yes, you would have succeeded. You would have succeeded or you would have won. Right?
Yes.
Okay, very well. You all are on fire today, I must say. Now, this one is a little tricky. ओके निधि, अगर मैंने पढ़ाई की होती तो मैं आज सक्सेसफुल होता.
If I had studied, then I would have been successful today.
मौसमी.
Okay. If I had studied, I could have succeeded.
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
No.
Let
Harpreet?
me speak, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, yes. If I had studied, I would have succeeded today.
Mm-hmm. No.
If
May I, ma'am?
Yes. Junu.
If I had studied, I would be successful today.
Yes, I would be successful today. We're talking about past, but thinking about today. So it's a sentence of mixed conditional, right? कि अगर मैंने पढ़ाई की होती, thinking about past, but आज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, present के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि मैं आज successful होता, right? So the right answer is if I had studied, I would be successful today. All right. Okay. Next one is for Sumitra. सुमित्रा, अगर उसने रिस्क लिया होता तो आज वो खुश होता.
If he had taken risk, then he would be happy today.
Very good. Almost correct. Correct. If he had taken the risk, he would be happy today. Okay. You were just missing that the there before risk. All right. Very well done. That was just a warm up. Now, final rapid fire. So, yes, one by one. Gauri, अगर तुम अभी निकलोगे तो तुम समय पर पहुंच जाओगे.
If you leave now, you will reach
You
on
will
time.
reach on time.
on
Perfect.
time.
अर्पित, अगर
Yes, sir.
मैं तुम होता तो मैं ये मौका नहीं छोड़ता.
if I will have in place of you, I will not leave it. I
सुनंदा.
will not leave this opportunity.
सुनंदा,
Again, tell me, please.
अगर मैं तुम होता, ओके, तो मैं ये मौका
Mhm.
नहीं छोड़ता. सुनंदा.
If I were you, I would never left that opportunity.
Almost correct. Instead of left, you can use miss. I would not miss this opportunity. If I were you,
Yes.
I would not miss this opportunity. Arpit, that is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
I were you.
If I were you, अगर मैं तुम होता, right?
Okay, okay.
मैं ये मौका नहीं छोड़ता. I would not miss this
I
opportunity.
will not leave this. Yes.
Leave this or miss this opportunity. Can you repeat that, the whole sentence?
If I were you, I will not. I would not leave this opportunity. Miss
Yes,
this
perfect.
opportunity.
Perfect, perfect. Yes, जुनू, अगर उसने मेहनत की होती तो वो जीत जाता.
If he had worked hard, if he had worked hard, he would have won.
Perfect.
Won. Sorry, he would have won.
He would have won. That's the correct answer. All right. निधि, अगर बारिश होगी तो मैच कैंसिल हो जाएगा.
If it rains, then the match will be cancelled.
Spot on. Yes, मौसमी, अगर मेरे पास ज्यादा पैसे होते तो मैं बिजनेस शुरू करता.
ज्यादा पैसे होते
हम्म,
तो बिजनेस शुरू करता.
हाँ, आज बिजनेस शुरू करता.
अच्छा, प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो इट इज. Okay. If I had lot of money, I would have started, would have started a new journey or would be starting. If it is present, then it will be would be, or if it is past, then would have started.
Okay, so can you give us just one sentence? मैंने जैसे पहले ही बता दिया था कि आज की बात हो रही है. अगर मेरे पास ज्यादा पैसे होते तो आज मैं नया बिजनेस शुरू करता.
Then it is second, ma'am. If I had a lot of money, I would be started, would be starting a new journey or new business.
Okay, you can say that. If I had more money, I would be starting a new business today. Or you can say, if I had more money, I would start a business today. Right? In a simple way. Okay.
In continuous form also we can say, no? Would be starting.
That makes sense. Yes, we can say that. Okay, Sumitra, अगर तुमने मुझे पहले बताया होता तो मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता.
If you had told me before, then I would have helped you.
Good, good. गौरी, अगर तुम ध्यान दोगे तो तुम्हें समझ आएगा।
If you focus, you will understand.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट। ओके, अगर मैं फेमस होता तो मैं लोगों की हेल्प करता।
If I had got fame, definitely I would help people. I would be help people.
सुनंदा, अगर मैं फेमस होता तो मैं लोगों की हेल्प करता।
If I had rich, I would help the people.
जुनू,
I would have helped the people. Yes, I would have helped the people. If I had rich, I would have helped the people.
the first part of the sentence needs correction. जुनू,
If I were rich, I would have helped the people.
if I were famous or if I were rich, I would have
Famous, sorry, famous.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
And in present scenario, you can say I would help people. Right?
Yes.
Okay, Junu. Next one. अगर उसमें risk, is there any disturbance in the background? My
No,
background?
ma'am.
You all can hear me clearly, right? Okay. अगर उसने risk लिया होता तो वो आज successful होता.
Okay. If he had taken the risk, he would be successful today.
Perfect. नंदा, अगर तुम अभी शुरू करोगे तो तुम जल्दी सीख जाओगे.
If you start early, then you will learn fast.
You learn fast or you learn quickly. If you start
Yes.
now, you learn quickly.
Fast,
Very
quickly.
good. Very good. Yes, मौसमी, अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं माफी मांगता.
That is present tense, ma'am.
Yes, let's take this in present
We are
scenario.
Bengali. We're little bit confused with Hindi.
Present
So,
scenario.
okay. So, okay. If I question, ma'am, again, please repeat once again.
अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं माफी मांगता.
If I were you, yeah, if I were in your place, I would apologize. I would apologize.
I would apologize. Very good, quick and accurate. Very nice. Okay, next one, निधि. अगर उसने मुझे कॉल किया होता तो मैं जाता.
If he had called me, then I would have gone.
That's correct. Very good. Okay, सुमित्रा, अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा.
If you'll do hard work, then you'll boost your confidence.
It needs a little correction. गौरी,
Yes, ma'am. Question.
अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा.
मेहनत करोगे. If you put efforts, you will boost your confidence.
Okay, good. Or we can also say, if you work hard, your confidence will increase. Okay, your sentence was also correct. Right.
And because this is the real truth.
Yes. Oh, it's a first conditional sentence.
Yes.
Okay. Possibility is there.
Mhm.
Okay, अर्पित, अगर मेरे पास wings होते तो मैं उड़ता.
If I had wings, ma'am, this is for fast, na?
हाँ, आज उड़ता. अगर मेरे पास wings होते तो मैं उड़ता. If I had wings. Yes, if I had wings. Correct. Complete your sentence.
If I had wings, I would fly today.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Very good. Okay, next, Sunanda. अगर मैंने वो गलती नहीं की होती तो आज मैं खुश होता.
If I hadn't done this mistake, if I had not done this mistake, I would have happy today. I would happy today.
No, Junu.
If I hadn't done the mistake, I would be happy today.
Still needs a correction. मौसमी,
Yes, ma'am. Question, please.
अगर मैंने वो गलती नहीं की होती, अगर मैंने वो मिस्टेक नहीं की होती तो आज मैं हैप्पी होता.
So, if I had not done the mistake, I would be happy now.
Still, Nidhi?
If I hadn't made that mistake, then I would be happy today.
That's the correct answer. With mistake, we use make, not
Made.
do or did,
Done.
right? If I hadn't made that mistake, I would be happy today. Okay? All right. Next, Sumitra. अगर वो समय पर आता, अगर वो टाइम पे आता, तो हम मीटिंग शुरू कर देते.
If he had reached on the time, then we would have started the meeting.
Very good. If he had reached or arrived, if he had arrived on time, we would have started the meeting. Okay, very good. Next, Gauri. अगर तुम सच बोलोगे तो लोग तुम पर भरोसा करेंगे, ट्रस्ट करेंगे.
If you tell truth, the people will trust you.
परफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, अर्पित. अगर मैं ज्यादा
Yes, ma'am.
कॉन्फिडेंट होता तो मैं स्टेज पर बोलता.
If I had more confident, I would have spoken on stage.
सुनंदा.
If I were confident, I would spoke on stage.
Still needs correction. Junu.
If I had been more confident, I would have spoken on the stage.
That's correct. Or we can also say if I were more confident, because we are talking about the state. So you can also use were. Okay. So if I were more confident, I would
Okay.
speak on the stage. Right?
Okay.
All
Ma'am,
right.
I made the mistake, like I had to say made that time.
Yes, in that sentence. Right. Okay. मौसमी, next one is for you. अगर उसने मौका लिया होता तो उसकी लाइफ अलग होती. मतलब कि अगर उसने अपॉर्चुनिटी ली होती तो उसकी लाइफ डिफरेंट होती.
That means it's a past regret.
हाँ, it's a regret.
If she or he had taken that opportunity, her life might have the word I am missing, the verb, the past is. Her life might have renewed, or what I can say.
उसकी लाइफ
Her
डिफरेंट
might have changed. Her life might have changed, or might be different from now.
I think you already
If
know
I'm
the
telling-
answer, but you're just simply getting confused. You know the answer.
Okay, if it is regret, ma'am, then it is might have or could have. Or if it is, I'm telling about present scenario, then it would be different.
So let's ask someone
We
else.
can-
Yes, Nidhi, what do you think?
If he had taken the opportunity, his life would be different.
If we talk about present scenario, and what about past regret?
If he had taken the opportunity, then his life would have been different.
Yes, his life would have been different. Very good. Okay, so this is the last one for the day, and this is for Gauri. Okay, अगर मैंने टाइम मैनेज किया होता तो आज मैं स्ट्रेस फ्री होता.
If I had managed time, today I would have stress-free. I would have been stress-free.
सुनंदा.
Ma'am, please again question.
अगर मैंने टाइम मैनेज किया होता तो मैं आज स्ट्रेस फ्री होता.
If I had managed time, today I am stress free.
Junu.
I would be stress free, ma'am. It is also okay. If I had if I had managed time today, I would be stress free.
So that is the correct answer, but still let's try to reframe it. Okay, or let me just tell you the correct answer. The correct answer is if I had managed my time, I would be stress free today. Okay, so your answer was almost correct. Very good. So yes, here let's end this game. And I hope you all really enjoyed this. I hope you've learned something as well. And we're going to revise the concepts of conditionals in our sessions as well in our WhatsApp group. Okay. So you'll get more of it. You'll understand it better if you don't understand it already. Okay. Otherwise, it's very easy. We don't have to go by structure. We simply
Yes,
have
sir.
to learn how to use them in context or how to use them in real life. So once you get it, you'll be able to frame sentences very quickly. Okay. So did you enjoy the session? The
Yes,
game?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Great. And yes, thank you everybody for being here, for
Thank
being
you so
a
much,
part
ma'am.
of this session. You all made my day. It feels so great to meet you all again and again. So, yes, thank you so much. And for my audience, those who are watching, let me give you one task. You can answer this in the comments. If you could change one thing in your life, what would it be? And I'll see you all in the next session then. Okay. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day ahead,
Thank you.
everybody.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you for
ma'am.
this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye. Take care, everybody.